As you know, every business needs marketing, and the smarter the marketing, the more growth will add up. And honestly, it requires large advertisements, and it's not easy because it takes too much time and energy. If you could make amazing ad in just a few minutes with a picture or a video clip, no more expensive suits or complicated editing, just pure creativity at your fingertips. But here's this amazing tool that lets you create absolutely beautiful ad in just a few clicks. So without wasting any time, let's get straight to the point, and it's called Vmake. It's very easy to use and works on both Vmake Web and the Vmake app, so you can make things from anywhere. Think of a product you own like a watch, a mug, or a piece of jewelry. You take a picture of it, that's all you need. Then go to Vmake and look for one of the official core templates such as the product image to model showcase, and this template will change the way e-commerce work. You send in a picture of your products, then you write a simple prompt in everyday language like a person with a smile in a cozy coffee showcasing his watch to a friend, or an unboxing video on a cool desk setup. Then you click create and the AI makes a whole video for in just a few seconds. It's make a realistic 3D model, puts your product in their hands or in the scene without any problems, adds smooth motions and makes a video that looks like real user content. You can then use features like explode mode to change certain seconds of the clip without having to start over. And that's just one example. The Storefront promo video is another very useful official template. So the question, do you own a shop, restaurant or salon in your area? Please upload a picture of your storefront, write something like it's a sunny afternoon and customers are talking outside, and watch as the AI brings it to life and moving parts and a lively atmosphere that draw in local customers. And the real magic in how you can change these templates to fit your brand style. They are just starting points that you can change with your prompts. And the best part, templates are not the only way to be creative. Do you want to get in on a viral trend or a copy certain hook? You can also do that. Tell me how you want it to look and feel. For example, you could ask the AI to make a product highlight in the fast-paced close-up style of a well-known tech unboxer, or even copy the look of popular videos like the Nano Banana Pro reviews. The AI understands your descriptive prompts so that you can make content that's not only high quality but also interesting and relevant to your audience. This means that Vmake Agent is must-have for anyone who needs good visual content. It's for the owner of a small business who needs to market a new line of product on social media tomorrow. And it's for the e-commerce seller who is sick for still product photos and want to use moving videos to get more sales. And it's for the content creator or social media manager who needs to make a lot of real-looking UGC ads for a lot of clients without filming a single frame. It makes a professional video making more accessible by getting rid of technicals and financial barriers. And the main value is very simple. It's changed time and complexity into speed and ease. You skip the whole traditional production process like brainstorming, casting, shooting and editing and go straight to a result that can be shared. And really, this lets you focus on your strategy, your messaging and your connecting with your audience while the AI takes care of the hard work of making the content. And even if you are not a business owner or influencer, Vmake Agent gives you the opportunity to create money-making content. If you work for yourself or on the side, you can use Vmake to make videos for clients. It can turn a simple picture into a professional promo video that you can share right away. You can also make content that makes money from ads or sends people to your affiliate links. AI can do the hard work of making videos for you, which saves your time and money. And one of the best thing about Vmake is that it makes it possible for anyone to make videos. You don't need to be a tech expert or have access to expensive tool to make videos that looks like they were made by a pro. What you need is you just need an idea, a picture or video clip, and Vmake Agent will make it into something that people will want to share. And you can use the tool online, so you can make videos from any device with an internet connection. For people who are used to the slow, clunking way of making videos, Vmake Agent is a game changer. It lets you make content that looks great and gets people attention in a fraction of time and money it would take with other methods. If you own a small business and want to promote your store, or if you are an influencer who want to connect with your followers, or if you are just starting out making videos, Vmake Agent has everything you need to be successful without having to know how to make professional videos. And in a world where making content is more important than ever, Vmake Agent is a great way for anyone who wants to make high quality videos quickly and cheaply. It's a great tool that makes video creation accessible to everyone, from big companies to individual creators. Anyone can use videos to tell their stories, promote their products and connect with your audience. Alright, so now if you are ready to change the way you make videos and make UGC videos and ads that stop people from scrolling and get them to take action, this is the answer. Because now you don't have to worry about how you will keep up with the need for new videos. Begin making it without any trouble. And to see Vmake Agent for yourself, click the link in the description below. See how fast you can turn your thoughts or even just one picture into your next great ad. Alright, so that is for today. Hope this video is helpful for you, and definitely again link in the description of Vmake Agent. Don't forget to try it out, and if you have any questions or queries related to Vmake and regarding this video, then definitely comment down below. And if you want to learn more about AI tool like this, then definitely watch this video now. And before going, hit that subscribe button and that like button too, and share with your friends who want to also create videos without showing his face.